know that digital age today, ICT has more revolutionized the way we connect and communicate with others. Here are some examples.
As platforms for communication, connection, and information sharing have grown essential to modern society, social networking sites have become an essential part of our daily lives. They allow us to foster connections with friends, family, and even strangers from across the world. Leading social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok enable users to communicate, share information, and establish social ties. It fosters the development of online communities, allowing users with shared interests or connections to communicate and engage with one another. With billions of users worldwide, social media has transformed the way we share information, express ourselves, and engage.
Hello guys! So for today's video, we're going to interview some Bulso students around the campus. Come live with me and be my love. Charing! Let's go guys! Hello ma'am, what's your name po?
Shaira.
So for today, I'm going to ask you a question. Then if you answer my question, I'll give you some 5
Go lang ba, Ding? Ano ba?
So ito yung question ma'am.
Sige, ano?
Can you give me an example of positive aspect of social networking?
Mm,
Ops! Teka lang. Go. Charing. Go.
so, I love how easy it is. Uy! Easy!
So, okay, madam. Go.
To
Proceed.
keep up with my friend and family, even though they're halfway across the globe. Uy! Across the globe! So, ayun nga. Yun.
So, dahil dyan, nanalo ka ng 5 pesos.
Thank you.
Hello guys, let's go. So, tara't naman na pa tayo ng mga mai-interview. Uy, ayos na ma'am. Let's go. Ma'am, excuse me ma'am.
No,
May I ask you some questions
No, sorry.
po?
Just double it and give it to the next
Wait lang,
person.
wala pa akong sinasabing.
Wala nga.
Hoy! Wait lang! Tara, tumana pa tayo na may interview. Ayun o, si ma'am oh. Let's go guys. Ma'am, excuse me po. Can I ask you some questions po? And if you answer my question, I'll give you some 5 pesos for you.
I know. Just double it and give it to the next person.
Mom! Please, ma'am! Ma'am! Ew! Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Ano pong name nyo? Pwede po ba kayo ma-interview nga pala?
Opo.
Um, pagka po nasagot yung questions ko, I give you 5 peso point po. Sige po. Ma'am, can you give me an example of positive aspects of social networking?
Social media has helped me to connect with other professionals in my industry and advance my career.
Thank you so much. Well, that's all po ba?
Yes, po.
5 pesos. Thank you so much for joining po.
Sorry, I'm listening to Bini by Pantropico.
Hoy! Pantropiko, oh. Sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Hoy! So, ganito na nga ang sisipin natin, madam. So, can I ask you some questions po?
Sure.
Before yung question, ano po ang name nyo and from what year and what section po kayo?
I'm Larry from BSN 2F.
Nice. So ito ang question, ma'am. Can you give me an example of positive aspect of social networking?
It gives me so much support and encouragement from online communities that share similar interests and experiences.
Yan, dahil dyan, thank you so much po. That's all, guys.
Social networks become one of the mediums where a person can showcase their talent, creativity, and express ideas that other people can collaborate on. ICT does not only bring upgrades to social networks, but it also gives a platform where everyone can interact and disseminate information seamlessly and simultaneously. However, along with its many benefits, social media also comes with its fair share of challenges. Researchers at University College London tracked 3 years of social media use by 13,000 teens. They found that social media's effect on youth is driven by these primary factors: inadequate sleep, exposure to cyberbullying, and lack of physical activity.
Niisip ko lang naman din yung mga anak ko. Kasi sa aminin man natin o sa hindi, importante pa rin na balance ang ating online at offline moments.
Naintindihan ko naman po si Mami. Kasi nga po talaga lately, puro kami po cellphones ni Larry.
Sorry po, Mami. Niisip ko lang naman din yung mga anak ko. Kasi sa aminin man natin o sa hindi, importante pa rin na balance yung online at offline moments natin para na rin sa ating mental at emotional well-being.
Napunta na naman tayo sa usapan ng cellphone. Ito ang bunot kay Hannah. Dumating yung parcel niya habang nagti-TikTok live siya.
So guys, buksan na natin yung mga pinadalang product sa akin.
Shopee po.
Bayad na po?
Opo.
Pagis na lang po.
Sige po.
So guys, eto na yung bago nating parcel na kakapadala lang. Hulaan nyo guys kung ano to. Hala, hala, hala!
Kaya ayun, nakita yung address at cellphone number niya. Na-screenshot rin ng mga viewers. Kaya ngayon, nangangalib na ang privacy at seguridad namin dito sa bahay. Lalo na si Angge, buntis pa naman.
Uy, ate ko. Tagal na hindi nagkita ah. Oh, ganyan ang tsura mo.
Naalala ko kasi yung activity natin yung assignment din natin. Deadline na pala nun kasi sa Sunday. Sa Sunday na sa beach ako, te.
So, paano kanyan ngayon, ate?
What if pakatayin mo na lang ako, tapos dilibre kita?
Uy, ate mga talent ko. Tsaka, ang dali lang nun, no? Kaya mo yun, ate. O kaya, mag-chat GPT ka na lang. Ganun. Tapos, gawin ko sa, yung first part, send ko sa Messenger, tapos yung second part, ayun. Basta libre mo ako,
Ayun naman pala, di pa 5 ka din. Sige, dilibre kita, papawi. Ang pakta ng buhangin, te.
Baliw. So, maiba ako. Ito nga yung chismis.
Ano yan, te?
Alam mo ba yung anak ni Aling Pasing? Nagpatulpo, ate.
Okay, bakit daw?
Paano kasi ate mo? Ibinigay daw yung password ng FB at Messenger sa account dun sa jowa. Ayun, nag-away, nahack tuloy yung account ni Bakla.
Ayan yung sinasabi ko. Kaya bawas-bawas din sa pagtujowa or kung hanap ka ng jowa, yung matino, te. Yung tsaka wag mo bibigay yung password mo, te, kahit gano'n kung tagal. Hello. Ayan.
Ate.
Ganyan tuloy yung kakahinatnan. Diyos ko, pag nalaman ko naggaganyan ka, sasabunutan kita.
Hindi, Teno. Noted, ma'am. So, ayun. Ay, oo nga pala, ate. Bye na. Kasi, uy, ate, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Ano na, yung phone ko, te. Go, tuloy mo lang. Sorry, te.
Kasi, mag-i-start na yung live stream ng crush ko. Mamaya na lang, ate.
Go, te. Go. Basta yung pasalubong mo, hindi ko kakalimutan.
Oo, te.
Sige, thank you,
Bye.
te. Bye.
Bye, te.
It is important to strike a balance between online and offline interaction to maintain our mental health and emotional well-being. We should also be cautious about the information we share online and how it may impact our privacy and security.
Now imagine a group of friends from all corners of the globe connected through a screen, sharing stories and laughter. The joy of online gatherings breaks geographical barriers, fostering bonds between individuals who may have never met in person.
As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of social media, let's harness the power of ICT to foster meaningful connections, build communities, and make a positive impact in the world.